It is day 2. Good morning, everyone. I'm still in beautiful Jamaica, and this is day 2 of walking to the falls. The falls in White Horse, St. Thomas. My dad and my uncle are ahead of me. So again, it's about a 10-minute walk. About a 10-15 minute walk to the falls. So it's a very energizing walk. You have to be really careful because there's cars coming from both sides. And the sidewalk again is like very narrow. But in Jamaica, everyone says good morning this, good morning that, or good morning miss this, good morning miss that. People don't walk past you like we do in the States. Like when I first got to the States, I don't know, when I first got to the States, people would look at me like, why is she saying hi to me? But that's what I grew up with, just saying hi to everyone when you walk by. Say hi to old and young, and you definitely call the older folks Miss, so you'd say hi to Miss Denton or Mr. Denton. Say hi to like your friends, your neighbors. But yeah, people used to look at me strange, like, why are you saying hi to me? I don't know you. But that's just the culture that I grew up with here in Jamaica. Yeah, so look, see how green this area is. This area is called Shady Spring. I think this is a little shop that turned into a little church. There's church all over. many churches and many bars. Yeah, it's very green. I don't know, at some point maybe they'll develop this area. But yes, I caught up to the guys with their towels over their shoulder and their little vests to make sure that they're seen by cars. Yeah. So it's very peaceful living here. There's way less opportunity than what you get in the States, but the peace and quiet is just everything, and the food is everything. And yeah, people are just not like stressed out. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's this beautiful sunrise. And many miles of beach, though we don't have a white sand beach here in St. Thomas. And this area is very rocky, but there's certain parts that you can bathe, you know. And the locals don't really give two hoots about like having like perfect sand. So yeah, they can just go in the sea whenever they want, go by the falls. Yeah, people don't worry about a lot. They could just go pick some ackee off the tree, stop underneath the almond tree and pick some almond. Actually, just pick up almond off the ground and eat. People are not worried. Most people own their homes here. If they don't own it, their family member own it, or most people are able to just get a piece of land somewhere and just build a one room on it. Most people are doing concrete now. They're like, yeah, up to date now. Like build a concrete house on it. and or board a house if they can't afford it. But yeah, but still a lot of big houses. But I'm just talking about people who might not be able to afford it. They're still not stressed out. They are finding it. However, they're finding it, and they're satisfied with what they have. And yeah, that's just how it goes. Nobody's being stressed out. Oh, I can't find this. They literally go to their neighbor and get a banana. Oh my God! Look at this view. Look at how jeez. Look how beautiful this is. Wow. So beautiful. Oh, there's another lady down there. See, someone is walking down there. Wow. It's beautiful. Yeah, so people can always get some yam, some bananas, and some ackee from their neighbor. And yeah, buy a little piece of saltfish from the shop. There's always a shop that you can find like a quarter pound of saltfish. Yeah, you don't have to buy like a whole bag of saltfish. Just buy a little piece to put in the ackee so they can have breakfast or dinner. So yeah, people are not like anxiety provoked like we are in the States. Like, we get very anxious and stressed out, and that's true for everyone in the States. Like, whether you have money or you don't have money, whether you have a good job or you don't have a good job, I find that we all find something to be extremely worried and anxious about. And it's unfortunate, you know. It's really, really unfortunate. And I hope that at some point we're able to take mental health more seriously, and we're able to just be more, soothe ourselves more, do more meditation, do more relaxing, find time for ourselves every day. I always say, try to find even 10 minutes for yourself, just for yourself, like for no one else. Not for work, not for your husband or wife, not for your kids, just for yourself. And this is a good thing to do during your time. It's just to walk, whether you're taking that 10 minutes from your break at work and just taking a walk by the park if you work near the park, or wherever, just taking a walk. If you're not able to walk much, or if it's too cold, maybe just going into your break room and meditating for 5 minutes, and learn meditation. Meditation is not, people say, oh, I can't meditate, and that's because our minds travel so much when we're meditating, but that's what it is, like you're bringing it back, right? So I say find the time to exercise by just walking if that's what you're able to do, or meditate if you can't get out. But do something for yourself, so we can, as a society, might be able to bring our anxiety levels down as best as we can. I know it's not easy. Easier said than done, I know that, but as best as we can. Yeah, or just be like the folks here in Jamaica. Just chill and not care about nothing. Just walk to the beach every day. Walk to the beach every day like my dad does. And just, just enjoy the greenery, enjoy life. So yeah, I can't wait to get back underneath this fall. Yeah, I didn't come here every single day when I was living here, but I would be here often, maybe every week. It's another truck. Yeah. By the way, this is the way I would drive to school. So I'm very familiar with this area. Not just where I'm coming from, where I used to live, but this area. Walking to the falls, going to school this way. Yeah, so this is a good time for me to like reflect and reminisce on the past. It's really cool. This is a really relaxing trip. Not doing much. Oral is not here for us to be on crazy car rides in the sea. Check out that video, guys. We're like riding in the Ferrari in the middle of the ocean. That was really fun. That was a really fun thing for us to do. So guys, go check it out. Yeah, so this is like a little shop they have here. I think this guy sells jelly at the side. Yep, those are jelly stuff, right? Yep. Yeah, so this is his little jelly spot. And see, he didn't just throw them, he packed them up, so he's gonna probably send them to the dump. He didn't just throw them to litter the beach side. That's a good citizen we're talking about there. Didn't just litter. Look at the sun. Look at the sun. Na, 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 na. Wow. Yesterday, the water was perfect. We came out about the same time and the water was just perfect. So let's see what it is today. Let's see what it is today. So yeah, another little story. When I was like in primary school, which is like elementary school up there. So see everybody say hi. I have no idea who was beeping to say hi, but clearly they know me, so I just like, hi. But yeah, so we would get out maybe about this time or a little bit later for school. And we're waiting for like a cab or a bus back then. And but literally our neighbors, like we call it boom ride. We would literally hold out our hands to strangers, yell a stranger, and they would stop and they would take us to Marant Bay safely in one piece, no harm done. Sometimes we know them, sometimes we don't know them, and we just go in. Back then you just go in, nobody's gonna do anything to you. Your parents are okay with it, the neighbors are okay with it, nobody's messing with you. Those were the days. Those days are long gone. People are not taking you up in their car, and you're definitely not asking for a ride. But yeah, back in the days when I was in elementary school, that's what we used to do. We used to get a ride to school. We don't have to pay a cab fee. We just get a ride to school. And it was beautiful. And whether it was in a van like this, it's my dad. Say hi, Daddy. Whether it was in a van like that, or I was in a car, it doesn't matter. It was a bus, a truck, a pickup, even a pickup. Even a pickup, we used to go in like that. You see, like that, man? We used to jump in the back like it was nothing. Like I was listen, I would climb up like so fast to get a ride to school. I was a tomboy anyways. I would always be climbing and climbing up and stuff. Anyways, I have arrived. See where I've arrived there. My uncle, I think, is gonna take a dip. He's over there. These are just other people, I think. My dad is going to, she's another young man from the block. My dad looks like you're about to just go in.
Yeah, you're not like.
Oh, you're not going to see? Okay, my dad is not going to see. So. We're at the famous Roselle Falls. Well, if it's not famous, it definitely should be famous because it has been here for all my life. At one point, the water was just only like this there, because it dried up so badly. I was so stressed when I passed and I see no water. I'm like, oh my God, like this cannot be happening. But then, you know, the water's spring again. And then as of late, it was a lot of rain here in Jamaica, in St. Thomas. And my dad told me that after the rain, it just sprung out again. It's such a beauty. It just sprung out, and look at it. Like, how relaxing is this? How relaxing it is to be bathing underneath this. So I'm gonna take my, put my bag down and cover my hair. So I'm gonna put on my cap. Wait. And then I'm gonna, like, I could go in my swimsuit, but I'm just... So my hair is covered. I'm wearing my swimsuit, but I choose to put this little tights on, you know, just to be a little bit more modest. So yeah, so now I'm gonna go in. So my uncle is there, I'm gonna go there. So I'm gonna... Again, this is pure rock. So I'm literally climbing down the rocks here so I can go take a dip in the sea, okay? I hope I'm properly set up for that.
It's like you have a job to do, man.
I know. It is a job. Hopefully I set up where they can see me. Maybe I should be down lower.
It's a push up and stuff, man.
Yeah, it's water. It's not bad here.
No. It's like by the time you come out of the water and just go down.
Yeah.
You're better off than walk.
Oh, I see.
Now when you walk, you see yeah, that walk. Normally you know how to stand. Normally for your part is going on the front. Come by. Oh, maybe she died. Oh, no.
So there's this other man out here that you can see two people in the water. One is my uncle, one is another guy from the community. And my dad told me he's here every single day. So I just talked to him. He's like, I'm here every single day, whether it's rain or whether it's sunshine. He's here. Like, doesn't matter. He was saying this was not so much stone recently, because he's here every day, of course, so he knows. But when the rain, it dug up all the big stones, so there's a lot of stone right here. But he said the other day it was mostly sand. Though you have to climb down these rocks. See, those are the rocks I came down just now. My uncle's stuff is up there. Though you have to climb down the rocks, by the time you get here, get into there, like especially where they are, on the way there, it was just pure sand. But now it's a lot of, look at baby over there getting a little bath in the sea. Now it's just pure stone, so you have to be very, very careful. Like, let me just show you. So I'm sitting on a big rock in the sea, but just really, really close. I'm not like out there. And the sea, look how beautiful that is. Look at that. Oh my God. This is almost like Turks and Caicos kind of clear. Would you guys agree? Look at this. And look at the sun behind me. Yeah. Keeping my head tie on. I don't need it in the sea, but I'm gonna just keep it on because I'm gonna need it for the mega needed for rock falling, basically. Rock falling? Yeah, man, needed for rock falling. Oh my god. This is way too much fun. Just sitting here is fun. Oh, Daddy, you see it already? Oh Lord. He took his shower. And he's done. He's standing up there looking at us. But yeah, guys, so yeah. I just dip. I don't really swim. I hope you guys are enjoying this video as much as I'm enjoying just standing in the ocean, huh? Yeah, I know. I went in and I know where it's like for me to stand versus nah. My dad is concerned. He's like, mind your fall, mind your drop, mind your drop. But yeah, but I know, see, this stone is not slippery. I guess everyone stand on this stone. You can see my beautiful toes through the water. You see? Look how pretty that is. The water is so clear you can see my toes. Yeah. Hey. So anyways, I was saying I hope you guys are enjoying this video as much as I'm enjoying recording it. Yeah. Just take a look. Especially if you don't get to go to the ocean often, just look at this, relax and enjoy the calm, the serenity. Look at this. How peaceful can this be? Look at that baby. Oh my God, they're washing her head. I don't know if you can see. Oh, look at the sunrise. Maybe I'm way more excited than I should be for just standing by the beach, right? I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm just like, just such a beauty. And for me to have health and strength to be able to do this, I'm grateful. Yeah, so I just can't get over how clean the water is. I can't get over that. I cannot get over how clean the water is. Yeah, so anyways, that's I'm going to take another dip. I'm going to take another dip. Try to see where the light is good. I'm going to take another dip and then I'm gonna go under the fall. So I will see you guys when I'm climbing back up the rocks. See all those rocks? Yep. All those rocks. Climb up all these rocks. So see you guys in a bit.
Water to get there.
Yeah. It's time for a dip on the Niagara Falls. I love this. That's so
Maduk. Maduk. I'll drop you up. I'll slide you back.
I'm not gonna fall, don't worry. Let me see. It's okay. I don't want you stressing about me falling. My dad is constantly worried about me falling. Oh.
They go to do yeah.
It's not even slippery. That's perfect.
That is man here to die. You can walk. I mean, you can walk here.
But it's down there to walk. Oh, okay. You can't even get like a foot from here. Like rub your foot on here. That's a nice smooth bottom. So I just left the falls and this is my handsome uncle. You guys know my dad. We're actually walking together now because we're coming back and they didn't walk ahead of me this time. So look guys, look, I'm walking out. I'm in the road so I have to be careful. I'm walking barefoot literally on the what is this, asphalt on the road. So I haven't done that in forever, but it feels good, it feels okay. I used to walk barefoot a lot when I was a kid, you know? Let's be careful. Huh?
They say it's good for you.
They say it's good for you?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
It's grounded with the herb.
Yeah? Wow. So I was told it's really good for us to walk barefooted sometimes because we get grounded and one with the earth. So I'm like, okay. So I'm one with the earth in Jamaica today. Yeah, that fall, the water was just, it never gets...
Medicine in the water.
Medicine in the water. Yeah. My uncle swears by it. He feels so much better when he's in Jamaica. So he loves it here. Not to mention my dad. They love it here. They walk here every day when they're in Jamaica. And this guy that we met earlier, oh, he's behind us. He just told me that rain or shine, he's here. So they don't miss it. It's healthy. The walk is good. It's a perfect, what is like 10-15 minutes walk. And then they spend a little time in the sea and under the falling. And that falls again is like a deep massage. It's like perfect. And the water is not cold. So if you're in Jamaica and you want to stop by the falls, don't worry that it's cold. It's not warm water. No, that water is like, oh, it's the best. It's the best. It's the best. Just in between cold and warm. And it's like, it's perfect. Yeah, those are cabs. Those are probably like taxi cabs. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put my shoes on soon. I'm gonna put my shoes on soon, but it's fun just to walk along the beach side. Just relaxing, it's just calm and relaxing. Huh? Oh yeah. You're normally like home this time. Come before day and go back.
What's up, man?
All right.
Easy, no, man?
Yeah, man. Easy.
Who is that? Like a fish man?
No, you know, I'm going to catch it.
Oh, okay.
Yes. At least it's some people.
Yeah, this is good. I thought you were going
That one? The one at the bottom?
Yeah. Now you're next million here, man.
Chuck, we're going to see the water.
She's so calm.
Good work, man.
Yes. I remember all the time I took it back when the money was low. Can you imagine that?
And they made the wall better, right? The wall is more well built without the equipment.
Yeah. That's why it's so damn good.
Yeah.
Too much money. You know you work when it's doing it.
It's easier when I walk out here.
Yeah, oh, that's all right.
Yeah, so that's why I try to walk on the road until the cars come.
When you come, you come. We see when you come. So when you come and you're more than accepted. You're not telling me shit. You should do that too.
You can walk that in, but I'll see you. It's a nice little...
All right. All right. You're a young man. You can't. You should be able to walk. You used to do that?
It feels good.
Of course.
Get out the road.
What for that? Never look nothing for you guys in there later. Let me know, sir. I'll never do put on clothes.
One more.
It's an enjoy every moment, right? I miss me try. If it's something I'm good on for me, I'll go right down to that.
But maybe every time you see what you put on the life to us.
What are those called again?
Shaka. A shaka, man.
Live a cat live or not so far?
What cat living in it?
Cat
You never feel about it.
live? Okay, yeah.
I then sell a
Okay.
lot of business.
Okay. This is called Neesberry. Whoa, I haven't seen this in a while. Whoa. So this is a Neesberry tree. This is a Neesberry itself. But those are not ready to eat. Later? Oh my God. So look, this is what my foot bottom look like after walking from the beach, from the seaside. I made it up. He stopped. So that's someone that like one of my friends from back in the days. She said like, oh, your foot is gonna hurt you later, but it's good that you walk barefoot and like get some connection with the earth. But it's gonna pain you later. So let's see. I'll tell you guys in the next vlog if my foot really hurt or not. Okay? I'm a tough girl, so I highly doubt it's gonna hurt. So, but let's see. All right. See you guys later. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this vlog as much as I enjoy making it. Say hi, my uncle. Say bye, vlog.
Bye.
They're all camera shy. They never really want to be on camera, but he's sweet to say hi to the camera today. Yeah, my dad is still on his way up. Thank you guys so much for watching. And hope you enjoy our little scenery to the seaside. It's not a beach, but to the seaside. And underneath the rock falling, I think it's officially called Roselle Falls, so you can Google it, Roselle Falls. It's beautiful, so relaxing. I think you'll relieve all your stress by just standing underneath that for 5 minutes. All the stress of the world is gone. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you guys in the next video. And go check out our Ferrari video when we were here last time. Okay, we were in a pink Ferrari on the beach in Montego Bay. All right, peace.
Thank you for watching our show. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye.
Sit on your
That's
trip.
enough videos.